In this short video, I will show you how to set up and function an air horn kit. We will start with connecting our regulator to our air bottle. Be careful of cross threading and do not over tighten the fitting. So get it hand tight and wrench it down until it's nice and snug, and open up your bottle to check for leaks. Next, we will connect our 3/4 turn valve. So we will line the line up with the ball, pull back on our quick connect, put it onto the regulator. If it does not go on for you, close the bottle, release the pressure from the nipple, and then it'll slide on easy. Just make sure you turn the air back on. Next, we will connect our air line to our 3/4 turn valve. Then you can connect your air horn directly to this line. If you need multiple air horns, you can connect them with the 3-way splitter. Just run separate lines out to wherever you need to run them, and you can connect air horns to each end. And if you need more than that, get a second splitter. In order to function test your air horn, make sure that your bottle is open, that there is pressure on both gauges, and you will need to open up your 3/4 turn valve. A couple things to note. The red airline is not used for breathing airline. It is only used for the air horn kit. It is not rated for a breathing airline, so do not use it for that. Also, it is a good idea to flag off your airline and also to flag your bottle, just to make things more visible and easier to find.